the first forensic professional organization in the world is A. DNA, B. IAI, C. FBI, D. NBI. Answer B. IAI. What fingerprint pattern does not have a ridge count? A. Whorls, B. Arches, C. Radial loop, D. Ulnar loop. Answer B. Arches. Two ridges running parallel or nearly parallel to each other which separates in an opposite direction. A. Delta, B. Core, C. Divergence, D. Convergence. Answer C. Divergence. Which of the following is also called delta in fingerprint identification? A. Lower ridge, B. Inner terminus, C. Outer terminus, D. Enclosures. Answer C. Outer terminus. He published a 41-page book entitled The Origin of Fingerprint, which describes his research starting in 1858 when he practiced actual recording of the finger and palm prints in India. A. Govard Bidlaw, B. Sir William Herschel, C. G.C.E. Mayer, D. Francis Galton. Answer B. Sir William Herschel. What fingerprint patterns do not have numerical value for purposes of primary classification? A. Plain whorl loops, B. Accidental whorl and arches, C. Double loop whorl and arches, D. Loops and arches. Answer D. Loops and arches. What classification takes into consideration the thumbs of both hands, ridge tracing for whorl type and ridge counting for loop type? A. Key classification, B. Final classification, C. Major classification, D. Subsecondary classification. Answer C. Major classification. What type of fingerprint pattern possesses an angle, an upthrust, or two of the three basic characteristics of the loop? A. Tinted arc, B. Double loop, C. Plain arc, D. Central pocket loop. Answer A. Tinted arc. He discovered the outer and inner layer of the skin. A. Govard Bidlaw, B. Dr. Marcelo Malpighi, C. G.C.A. Mayer, D. Francis Galton. Answer B. Marcelo Malpighi. What corresponds to the study of the palms of the hands? A. Plantar, B. Palmar, C. Furrows, D. Chiroscopy. Answer D. Chiroscopy.